This listing brought to you by the EppsElson team at Remax Ability Plus. This 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath with finished basement is move-in ready. This home features many updates including remodeled bath, sliding barn door, carpet, staggered cabinets with soft close, granite countertops, popular laminate vinyl flooring, built-in bookshelf, 42-inch vanities with tile shower, vaulted master ceiling, new light fixtures, half bath and basement, dry bar, roof 5 years old and so much more. Great location centrally located to shopping, schools and restaurants. Come see this home, you will not be disappointed.